Uy, fish on mga master. Ito na. Fish on na tayo mga master. Fish on. Master. Fish on tayo master. Good morning mga master. For today's video, fishing adventure tayo. Dito tayo sa spot. Hanghangin talaga. May parating kasing hurricane kaysa nasa bahay tayo nakakatamad. Lagi tayo nasa bahay. ML. Ito may nakita akong nagtatalo na. Dami. Kawan. Try tayo. Nakita ko, ang dami kawan dito. Talunan. Try natin. Master, kapal. Dito tayo. Nakita ko kapal dito. Talunan mga master. Try natin. Nakita ko lang mga jack, maliliit. Ito. Ito tayo. Ito medyo harang tayo sa hangin. Ito ko mga master, dami nila. Ayan, dating setup pa rin tayo. Kas tayo, kas. Ito ko lang, dami. Kawan sila, kawan. Okay. Kas tayo, kas. Baka mapagat natin. Ito ko lang Uy, fish on mga master. Ito na. Fish on na tayo mga master. Fish on. Tara na rito. Huwag ko na isabit. Huwag mo na isabit. Huwag mo na isabit. Huwag mo na isabit. Huwag mo na isabit. Tara na rito. Uy. Uy mga karel. Mga ka-LG. Uy. Uy. Ano ka? Uy. Bonito. Bonito. Master. Master, nakabonito tayo. Alright. Dali na naman tayo, master. Hindi sayang ang ating punta. Hindi sayang ang ating punta. Naku, nakalimutan ko yung ating gloves. Hindi sayang ang punta. Alright, master. Master, di sayang ang punta. Alright, fish on na naman tayo. Bonito. Alright, bonito. Biglang kumagat oh. Subo tatlo meron pa to, master. Subo. basket. Alright. 1-0. Pa natin yung isang gloves. Kanan yung nadala ko. Karas pa tayo syempre. Buti na lang hindi inano sa batuhan. Alright. Nakaisa na. Meron pa yan syempre. Ayun o. Talo na no. Talunan. Talunan ng mga dilis. Talunan ng mga dilis dito. Uy, buhay na buhay ang ating fishy. Isa din. Uy, ayun, nabul. Hindi nakagat mabuti. Hindi kinagat mabuti. Ayun. Kitok uli. May kitok. Napakagat din natin yan. Ayun na oh. Sabi sa inyo, dito na kumagat mga master. Dito na kumagat. Oh. Dito na siya kumagat. Sa harap natin. Oh. Alright. Aray ko, tusok na naman tayo. Akala mo shoot sa balde. Alright. Dalawa na naman. Tayo masisiro galing ito may nagkakagatan dito. May at least yan, kagat. Ay. Ayan. Kagat na, kagat. Oh. Tiki na naman. Giant tiki na naman tayo, master. Hindi nawawala to sa akin lagi. Itong tiki na to. Hindi nawawala doon tiki. Mga master tiki. Kakala ko may nakita kong malaking parang bonito din shoot sa banga master. Tiki. Dadagdagan na dadagdagan. Hindi, sayang ang punta. Uhaw. Uhaw na uhaw. Sobrang init. Tara, ikot tayo. Admiral dito tayo. Ikot tayo doon. Sakali, doon tayo makapagpagat na marami. Lipat tayo mga master. Ito, lumipat tayo dito master, sa isa pang spot. Try tayo rito. Kaya wala na tayo mapakagat eh. Subok lang tayo ng subok. Kas lang tayo ng kas dito. Hanggat walang mapakagat, tala, uwi na tayo. Wish ko lang sana may mapakagat tayo. Fish on, master. Fish on tayo, master. Ay! Fish on, master. Fish on tayo, master. Uy, mga karel. Master, mga karel. Alright. Nakapagpakagat pa tayo, master. Mga karel. Oh boy. Kalusog naman mga karel nito. Alright. Duguan pa. Duguan. Laim yun, nakapagpa-fish on pa. Umagat pa yung mga karay. Sinong gabi. Isa pa. Kagatan mo pa. Kagat pa eh. Release. Kumagat pa ang makarel. Strike. Yan, kagat. Kagat tuloy mga master. Yan. Uy, dalawa sila. Dalawa. Bonito. Bonito maliit. Bonito maliit. Bonito maliit. Dalawa sila, dalawa. Ano. Swerte tayo ngayon. Shoot sa basket. Alright. Dun, marami sila dun. Strike na nga kanina. Buti kinagat uli. Dalawa sila eh. Nahabol pa eh. Gumagat pa sana yun. Pero yung maliit na bonito. Kagat pa. Uy. Strike. Ayan na. Ay. Siwi. Na. Diyan lang. Kagat. Siwi na papakagat ko yan eh. Dito. O diba? Siwi mapapakagat ko yan. Alright, bonito ulit. Dalawa. Sulit. Strike siya dun eh. Hindi yan. Meron pa yan. Meron pa yan. Meron pa yan. Marami pala dyan. Sinundan eh. Di kagat na kagat siya eh. Marami pala dyan eh. Pero yung kasama niya hinahanap niya kasi yan di magkasama na sila. Dalawa kasi silang humahabol kanina eh. I catch 3. Yeah. Here. Bonito. And 1 mackerel.
I know I caught. I just threw it. Yeah. Hold on. My hands were covered in fish guts though.
This one. I got it.
Yeah.
Mackerel. 3 bonito.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
What do you fish? Do you use a lure?
Lure.
Okay.
Yeah, just only lure.
There you go. This is what I caught. Oh yeah.
Bonito. It's the same.
Oh wow. Yeah, it was massive. It's like I was lucky too because it kept swimming into the corals and then all. I was like so pissed if I lost that fish because I've been like doing that for like 5 minutes.
Me, just only lure. Yeah, just artificial.
What type of
It's
where do you set up your lure?
from Philippines.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
I'm from the UK.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron Jefferson.
Jefferson.
Jefferson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you not mind if I look at your lure?
Yeah, just from Philippines.
Oh wow.
It's an orange ghost.
Because I was thinking about putting a lure on mine because I've got a bait instead,
Yeah.
and I was just wondering what other people have done to like set up their lure. Because like one of my friends used the lure here,
Yeah.
and he didn't catch
And he
any
got
for
it?
2 hours.
This is me, just only a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes. I catch a one. So you saw the mackerel?
So good catch.
Yeah. That's for my vlog.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Do you have like a YouTube channel?
Yeah, YouTube channel.
Oh, okay. Am I featuring on that then?
Yeah. you wanna check my YouTube channel?
Yeah, sure.
You have a net?
So did you do you live here or?
I'm work here.
Oh, you work
Yeah.
here. All right. What do you do here?
I'm waiter.
Oh, all right.
Mm.
Which restaurant? Or
Cafe Lido.
I don't think I've heard.
Elbow Beach.
No,
No?
never been.
Ah.
I live nearby though, which is the funny thing.
Where you live here?
Yeah. I go to school here.
Ah, you're schooling.
Yeah. Work Academy. I
Ah,
got up
okay.
early, so I just thought I might as well start doing some fishing.
Listen, if you want to subscribe me.
Yeah, of course. Oh, 53 videos.
Yeah.
You gotta tell me some spots there.
Yeah, sure. I'm spot here, also in the Admiralty,
Okay.
Spanish Point.
I've never been to Spanish Point actually.
You don't been? We're going straight there.
Yeah, I thought Admiralty would be a good
Admiralty.
spot, but like I never like kind of thought so because I didn't really see many.
Yeah. I catch in the Spanish Point. I catch a one big bonito.
Wow.
Yeah, do you see that? This one. Yeah, the bonito. You see me catch it.
Wow. I wanted to ask. I don't really know how to because I've recently started fishing like not too long ago. But like when I got the fish, I didn't know how to pick it up, so I had to use my pliers and my skill so I could like just literally throw it back into the water.
This me. I have a flies here.
So like how do you hold your fish? Do you
Like
just,
this.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Because I couldn't get my hands around that.
Like this. No. Yeah, if you see like this, or if you want, you put like this.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah,
Because the one that I was trying to grab, my hands are too small for it, so I could barely wrap my hand to about like there. So yeah, that definitely helps there.
this one.
Oh,
Because it sometimes the fish is slippery. Thank you.
no, sorry. Oh, no stress. I've had my friend hook me like 3 times now. It doesn't. Anyways, I'll let you get back to your thing.
Okay,
Nice
thank you. Nice to meet you too.
I'm
Thanks,
probably
Paul.
gonna head off now, but
Okay,
good luck with the rest.
thank you. Maybe I going also.
It's a damn good catch, that's for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, have a beautiful day. Oo. Mawit na talaga ako. Ilang 5 cast na lang. Yung mga hagis na lang mga master. Uwi na ako. Isa na tayo. 2. Ako na yan. 3. Ay, sakit ng balikat ko. 4. Lima. Wala na talaga mga master. O siya, uwi na tayo. Stress na rin. 3 oras tayong pag-fishing ngayong araw na to. Ay, di tayo na zero mga master. Yun mga master, wala na tayong mga pakagat. Dito na lang ating video. Wala na hindi na natin mga pakagat. 3 oras din tayong pag-fishing. May nakilala pa tayong isang kaibigan na nagpipishing, bago lang daw siya nagpipishing. Ito yung huli natin mga master. Yan yung huli natin mga master. Bonito, mga karel, 2 bonitong maliit, talakitok, tapos ayan, tiki. Hindi tayo nasiruling ngayong araw na to. Kaya mga master, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated din sa mga videos. Kaya ngayon, dito na natin mga video, ditong video. Ay naku, nauuhaw na ako. O siya, fish on.